talk about when to use each side of the build plate in the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2 3D printer. We are on side A. That's the more textured side of the stock build plate. That's good for PLA, TPU, ABS, PETG, or carbon fiber infused filaments. They call this the textured PEI plate, and you can see 3 stars on adhesion. Now, when we flip it over, and here's how you install it. This is magnetic down here, the print bed, and it's a steel plate. So you got to hold it up and slide it into place until the 2 corners hit the alignment plastic, and then let it lower down. So here we have a warning sticker. PLA specific plate on a fine textured plate isn't ideal due to enhanced adhesion, which may cause difficulty removing the model. So I believe that kind of broken English is saying that that this side, the smooth side, the less textured side, is the PLA side. And here it says optimized for PLA printing. If I can get that sticker out of the way. This is the PLA specific plate, and the adhesion on the other side, adhesion was 3 stars. This shows 5 stars. And it says heat bed temperature of 30 degrees when you're doing your PLA. I'll clean that up later, but more adhesion on this side, less adhesion on that side, wider range of materials over here on the textured PLA plate. The A side, you move it to the B side, it is PLA only. Like, subscribe, and follow so you don't miss any of our Maker Channel nonsense.